How to revoke app permissions from your PayPal account. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to revoke your app permissions from PayPal account. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your PayPal application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and verify your identity, or if you've set up two-factor authentication to get into the app. Now, you can try to find the option to manage your app permissions within the app by tapping on the profile icon at the top right. But here, if you go to settings, you won't be able to find the permissions over here. So what you need to do instead is go back here, and from your menu section, you need to go ahead and go to your phone settings. Long press on PayPal, tap on the I button to go to app info. Then you can find the permissions option right at the top. On your permissions, just select the permissions you want to revoke. So I'll just do camera, I'll just tap on don't allow. Do the same thing for all of these permissions, don't allow. I'll do this for all of these quickly. And once you have done that, you've revoked all of the app permissions from PayPal. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.